Hello everyone! Namaste India! I'll try to speak in English so that all of you can understand me. Since some of my followers are from India, so sorry if I have a wrong grammar. I'm not fluent in English. In this video, I will show you everything as it was my first time attending this kind of wedding in India. And we'll answer some also of your question from Instagram. We came all the way from Indore and spent the whole day traveling to Gwalior because my husband's friend is from there and it was Shivani's marriage. The girl is from Gwalior and her arranged marriage partner is from Shivpuri. So this is my first time in Shivpuri's place. After we got to Gwalior, we hopped on the bus with some other friends heading to Shivpuri. It was a 3 hours ride. So here's their venue. They held everything here at the resort, the haldi ceremony, sangeet, and the venue reception. We also stayed here for 3 days. Magkano nga ba inaabot sa gantong kasalan? Mayroon bang dowry yung babae sa lalaki? At sino yung gumagastos sa gantong kasalan? We will talk about that later. But before we do, let's answer a few other questions on Instagram. For Call Me Adi, how much it costs for 1-year Indian visa for Filipinas? As you know guys, we do visa assistance for Philippines and Indian visa. You can get a 1-year Indian visa for less than 6,000 Indian rupees for us, okay? You can also get a 1-month free visa but you'll still need to apply online. So, the haldi ceremony is finally starting. I honestly didn't expect an Indian wedding to be like this. There's so much going on with different events happening at different times. Tonight, there's another celebration and then tomorrow, there's more. I'm just completely amazed by their culture and tradition. It's really something that leaves you in awe. And I actually thought the haldi ceremony would all be yellow, but they went with the pink theme instead, apparently just to make it little different. It wasn't expecting that, and it's kind of fancying the twist.
आज के पल को कैद करना है अगर थोड़ा थोड़ा अगर स्टेज के नीचे अगर पॉसिबल है फ्लोर के नीचे तो आप लोग नीचे खड़े हो सकते हैं तेरे घर आया मैं आया तुझको लेने दिल के बदले में दिल का नजराना लेने तेरे
Sorry, I'm just really happy with Indian song because their remix or dance tracks are so good talaga. By the way, in the video, they split the sides between the girl and the guy and will all take turns dancing. They're playing a game to see which one of the two has a better moves. O, diba? Now it's our turn. After that, they were just playing a games and my partner and I joined in too. We actually won but it's not in the video since I was the one filming only here. Everyone was having so much fun and every parties they're always dancing and sometimes ako pa nga yung inaaya nila. Ay naku, nakakahiya kaya pag mga ganito. Next up were the grandmas and grandpas handing out roses. Whoever got the last one rose, they need to dance. It's a welcome to Sangeet night. Ah, yeah, so nice. Chintu, how come? And after the haldi ceremony, we went back again in the evening for their Sangeet night. This is also my first time to attend and I don't know what they mostly doing, but my husband said it's just a pre-wedding celebration filled with the music, dance, and performance both parties. Fly, fly. The cater is here, the cater is there. Tapos dito sila magda-dance-dance. Our friend also invited us to perform nga, but you guys already know how shy he is. As for me, I don't have any problem at all. I was totally to go. It is one of the most joyful and lively events in an Indian wedding. What the heck? It was so fun talaga. The word Sangeet nga pala means music. It means celebrate the union of two families, create memories, let everyone enjoy, dance, and relax before the wedding. So ayan, we'll start now and there will be more people tonight. Before that, let's continue answering question on Instagram. From Vincid, how can we send gift to Philippines from India? You already know that we provide assistance in both the Philippines and India. As you can see on our profile, in Instagram, I usually post proof of transaction on our Facebook page. You can follow us there at Akshat and Jonah. Same profile. We also help with sending gifts from India to the Philippines. If you need assistance with sending gifts or food, just message me directly and provide your girlfriend's information. I will take care of everything and send it to her according to your request. To anyone who wants to send gifts, don't hesitate to message me. Thank you. One more question from Rohit Verma. How is Philippines different from India, or are they the same by nature? There's actually a big difference between the Philippines and India. In the Philippines, the climate is mostly hot and rainy, and we experience a lot of typhoons talaga, and ngayon sobrang dami. But here in Indore, India, based on my 1 year of staying here, we only have monsoon season, summer, and winter. In my whole year here, there hasn't been any typhoon. I also asked the people here and also my baby, cousins, my husband, brother-in-law, all of them, and they said that they don't get typhoons in this area. Only regular rainy days, mga ganyan. Since we're in the middle of the India, like in Madhya Pradesh. And when it comes to the surroundings, I can definitely say the Philippines is more beautiful. Of course, that's where I was born. But since we are currently living in Indore, if you search it in Google, Indore is ranked as the #1 cleanest city in India. Everywhere you go, you won't see piles of garbage and there are no cows wandering on the road. That's one of the things I really appreciated. They are very strict when it comes to cleanliness and waste management, mga ganyan. That was so cute! The couple need to dance first, and after that, they each perform their solo part. So we just need to be supportive for them. We really didn't do anything else there. We were just with our other friends, eating different kinds of food, and watching until the whole event finished. Kasi may sayawan sa huli. So let's go back to the question. Things got a bit mixed up. Sorry naman. On the nature, about sa food naman. So when it comes to food, that was actually the most challenging part for me at first. Keep thinking, what I am even going to eat here? Because everything looks so different from what I'm used to in the Philippines. But as time went on, I started trying new dishes, and honestly, some of them are really amazing. From the spicy curries to the street food snacks, I discovered so many flavors and I never imagined. Of course, some dishes are still too spicy for me, but I'm learning to enjoy them little by little. Since I'm a Bicolana, of course. Bicolana is a spicy lover also. The best part, eating with friends make it so much more fun. Because sometimes they're also asking me if I like Indian cuisine, mga ganyan. So yeah, food was definitely a challenge at first. But now, it's actually one of my favorite things about being here in India. Promise talaga, masarap, dai! So now, I mostly eat Indian food and I'm the one doing roti and all the sabjis. And I don't really crave Filipino food anymore. I don't stress myself about it. Whatever is available, I'm fine with that. Sanay sa hirap ako, mga day. Kaya, ayan. And more question in Instagram from Uf Iscaris. Hello po, I'm a half Indian, half Filipino. Aap kese ho means how are you? Met Tiko here in India. Mere tuda learning Hindi. Tama ba? Anong correct? Oh my God. And from Kushik Khana 007, this is my always customer. Thank you very much for always ordering from us. My girlfriend from Philippines give me some advice for a healthy LDR and share your experience, mom. My husband and I were in a long distance relationship for 1 year. Yes, for 1 year. I tried to come to India within that 1 year, but sometimes he was just too busy shifting houses and managing his business. That's why it didn't happen. During that year of long distance, he always is communicated daily. It's so important to stay in touch regularly. Even with just a small message, mga ganyan. In our relationship, we were more like a best friends, yeah. Didn't get jealous over other people because we're too matured enough to handle that. Instead, we focus on our future and what's ahead for us and trust each other. Trust is everything. Without it, distance can feel even harder. And what we do whole day, we share experience, both just talk about your day. It helps you feel closer, like that. And stay positive. Focus on good moments and the future you're working toward. Create the memories also while in a long distance relationship. So that's it only. So yeah, the party was basically over by that time. There weren't many people left. And it was mostly just us dancing. That was me in the white color. I was keeping it low-key that time because my head was a bit hurting. It was already around midnight and we were already tired since we had been going non-stop for 2 days. And the vibes and the sound is too much. What the heck? It's so nice. So that's it for now. For more questions, we'll do another video soon. But don't forget to watch how I danced there. It was so much fun. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my small channel. Thank you!